Okay, I'll pitch in here. Actually, I was supposed to discuss this scenario only. When we generate a currents in, it is about the mental status only, right? So, hmm. So the thing is that the code is written like it's generating one author tag with the data source information. The code is already, yes, it's raw authors segment it's generating. Yes, it's a, it is for everything. Else, it is coming actually in a mental status. I saw it, but not sure. No, consumer side it will not come, right? It will come only while. Hmm. I'll share my screen very quickly. I'll share some. Its code is already there. Is one condition actually, like, see, I'll say I'll go back once again. See, I'll yes, it is common change, and I'll take the represent the mental status only here. So while generating the observation, mental status observation, we have one section build data source and comment, right? And here what we are passing mental status observation get author. And if we go inside this, add data source, yeah, we came here, right? If source facility not equal to null, then we are adding one author. And what we are doing here, we are directly creating one tag. This is the author existing data it's referring. It's, we are not doing anything here, like it is not taking any data. We are just adding that variable model to add that. And what we are doing here, we are creating one instance, getting the source facility product detail. If it is not equal to null, setting the time is author does set time, assign person from that product name, and else if it is yes else ah, still we are setting the time as a null flavor, and assigning the names as well, it's null flavor. Yeah, but we are creating that model. Yeah, because when I realized that yesterday I was fixing the some test cases, then I started seeing that some duplicates authors are generating. Then I debugged it like, oh, some generic codes, and it is there. If I'll see vital from here we can see that there are not vital sign entry producer. CCDA not mentioned. It is in the this this one. This should be vital. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, let me. Yeah, I'm checking. It is not right. It is not. Hmm. And set the organizer here. Here it is. Yeah, a little bit. No, no. This author is what we recently did the change. I think that is the one. Let me see. Yeah, it's that is the one we did as part of the last ticket, right? Adding the represented of it's uh, this is the like this is something else. It is not that what we are saying. We have to add. We have to add it. Add data source. Yeah, 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 yeah. But in this code flow, we are not adding any represented organization as of now. It is at the yeah. So it means that what we did the changes on a consumer side to consume the author that was not needed, right? No, it's a creating actually duplicate author, right? To tag for the author. Is that fine? Ah, yeah. Yeah, correct. The above one is generated from this method, what we are just discussing. Correct, ma'am. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, we can do for the clinical ideas, mental stress we can do. So, we'll create this author tag similar to the how we are doing the new change with the new changes, right? Like adding the represented organizers. Okay, but that structure will impact for all the other clinical item as well. Okay, share me that template ID. That shift ID. Assigned person. Okay, they are having assigned person. Okay. We need to create only the okay. Within that assigned represented organization comes, right? I can get it. I have the and from where the information will come about the assigned person. Mhm. So it means that like first we'll check the incoming message. If it is the author data is already there, we'll go with that. Otherwise, we'll create our own blank template and we'll push the data source facility information as a represented organizer. Correct me, right? Okay. Yeah, fine. I'll do that changes for the mental status. But the way it is written, it's a very generic way. There are so many term and condition. I see. I have to manage this block of the code. Like within a one function, they are calling there. You can see my screen, right? They are calling this function add data source, and within that only they are calling this much: add author, add reference, add information source. I mean, see. So nobody says saying something. Yeah, yeah. If the function is already there, I have to do little bit the tweak within it only. But the thing is like, uh, even though we don't want to change the other clinical item, it will have the impact with this small change. We have to let, yeah, yeah, little bit of the testing we have to do with some of the clinical items that nothing is broken. Uh, yeah, we don't have that kind of way. I mean, I don't know. This function, see, within this function, I going to do the change, and this is got called at so many places. Mostly, let yeah, let me try with the first mental status, and then we can think how it's proceeding. It's yeah, 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 okay. No, no, no. Actually, I was writing a test, and then I was stuck here. In the morning, I told her I need to discuss something. It is about this only because I was not surprised. No, no. Mental status for the mental status, what I am doing, I'll show you. It is not use this concern. I created the use the different way altogether. So this is the mental status. See, I used old approach. Mental status, get authors and add, create authors, get model dot get authors. Yes, yes, yes. With this author, create author method, we are actually adding the represented organization each and everything. Assign author, here. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. It is at entry level only. Okay, Lana. I'm just saying for the CCDA, very few places it's implemented. It's implemented with the diagnosis. It's implemented with the anesthesia entry producer, assessment and plan entry producer, and yeah, I mean code the file name was I'm telling you. Complete what is this? Complications entry producer CCDA and function status entry producer, functional status, goal entry producer, health concern entry producer. Are these data we generate? Okay. Yeah. No, no, no. Actually, we have never heard like. Hmm. Yeah, no problem. Will do that thing. Yes. Subbu. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.